Hi, this is Dr. AVS Prasad, Engineering Maths faculty for GATE and IES ACE Academy. I am going to solve Engineering Maths questions from GATE 21 Production and Industrial Engineering paper. If 3i plus 1 into x plus 4i plus 4y plus 5 equals 0 with x, y being real and I is imaginary, then x value is what? Right. Very simple. The equation can be written as 3x times I plus x plus 4y into I plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. So separate real and imaginary parts. So here real part is x plus 4y plus 5 plus I times. Imaginary part is 3x plus 4y equal to 0 means 0 plus I times 0. So comparing real and imaginary parts, very clear. X plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. And similarly 3x plus 4y equal to 0 by comparing the real and imaginary parts. So by solving these two equations means what? Right, by subtracting. So by subtracting these two, we get here minus 2x and 4y cancel, right? Plus 5 equal to 0. So that implies 2x equal to 5. So x equal to 5 upon 2, that is 2.5 is the required value. Look at the question, right? Here real and imaginary parts are compared and x value has been obtained as 2.5. Right, look at the question. The minimum value of the function f defined by f of x comma y comma z equal x square plus 5y square plus 5z square minus 4x plus 40y minus 40z plus 300 is in integers. This is from calculus maxima minima concept, right? So given that f of x comma y comma z equal to that x square plus 5y square plus 5z square minus 4x plus 40y minus 40z plus 300. Right, this is the given function. Right, we know that for maximum and minima we need to calculate the stationary point. So for stationary point, dou f by dou x equal to 0, dou f by dou y equal to 0 and dou f by dou z equal to 0, right? So dou f by dou x equal to 0 means that is partial derivative of the function with respect to x. What is dou f by dou x square derivative? 2x plus this derivative of this one 0, this one 0 minus 4. So minus 4 and this is 0 remaining, right? Zeros, so equal to 0. That implies x equal to 2 only. And next one is dou f by dou y equal to 0 implies, that is partial derivative of this function with respect to y. So derivative of this term 0, this is 10y, and derivative of this term 0 with respect to y, this is 0 and this is plus 40, and this is 0 and derivative of this term is also 0. That implies y value minus 4, right. Next, similarly, dou f by dou z is 0. So dou f by dou z equal 0 means, that implies, what is dou f by dou z? Derivative of this term 0, this term 0, this is 10z. And this term, derivative of this term 0, this term also 0, and this is minus 40 equal to 0. That implies z equal to 4. So x equal to 2, y equal to minus 4, and z equal to 4, right. So stationary point has been obtained, right. Therefore, what is the stationary point? The stationary point is 2 comma minus 4 comma 4, x value 2, y value minus 4, and z value 4 only, right. We know that maxima or minima that is maximum or minimum occurs at stationary points only. Stationary points only. Therefore, for the given function, the minimum value occurs at this point. Therefore, minimum value, because we have one point only, value occurs at 2 comma minus 4 comma 4. So, and the minimum value is, therefore, minimum value equal to, that is f of 2 comma minus 4 comma 4. So f of 2 comma minus 4 means what? X value 2, y value minus 4, z value. That is, in this function substitute the x value 2, y value minus 4, z value 4. So by simplifying this one, 136 is the answer, right? The probability mass function p of x of discrete random variable x is given by probability of x equal 1 by 2 raised to x, where x takes 1, 2, 3, etc. infinity. The expected value of x is dash. This is from probability. Look at. So given that probability of x equal to 1 by 2 raised to x. So x takes what values? 1, 2, 3, etc. And what are the corresponding probabilities? Right. So when x equal to 1, the corresponding probability is 1 by 2. When x equal to, the corresponding probability is 1 by 2 square. And when x equal to 3, the corresponding probability is 1 by 2 cube, etc. These are the probabilities. So what is the expected value? We know that expected value means what? Expected value equal to, that is E of x equal to summation xi and the corresponding probabilities, xi times the corresponding probability P of x equal to xi. Right. So this means, look at, therefore the expected value equal to that is sum of the product of x and corresponding probability 1 into 1 by 2. Similarly 2 into 1 by 2 square plus 3 into 1 by 2 cube is equal to 1 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 square plus 3 into 1 by 2 cube plus so on so on. So we can take out 1 by 2 as common. So remaining is what? 1 plus 2 times 1 by 2 here plus 3 times here 1 by 2 whole square plus so on so on. So it's like this expression is like 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus so on so on. The expression is like. So what is x here? Very clear, 1 by 2. So this is the expansion of what? 1 minus x whole power minus 2. So compare with this expression, very clear, x value is what here? So here clearly x equal to 1 by 2 only. Therefore this infinite summation is equivalent to 1 by 2 into 1 minus x means 1 by 2 whole power minus 2. That is what? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 whole power minus 2. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 square only by taking the reciprocal. So that is 4. So that is 4 only. So by simplifying, this is equivalent to 2 only. So the expected value, the required expected value is 2 only. So this expression is compared with this 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. So which is equal to 1 minus x whole power minus 2. Look at once. So this is the question. The corresponding probabilities, expected value means is the formula. So finally the answer is 2 only. Right, look at the question. The values of function y of x at discrete values of x for 0 to 10 are given in the table. Using trapezoidal rule, the value of the integral from 0 to 10 y of x dx is what? So by observing, this is from numerical analysis, that is numerical methods, numerical integration concept, right? So here by observing the given data, look at once x value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is what is the step size? H, that is difference between x values. So very clear, H equal to step size, H equal to 1, right? And what is the general formula? The formula is, that is the trapezoidal rule is in general integral x naught to xn f of x dx equal to h by 2 into first plus, that is first term plus last term plus 2 times sum of remaining terms. This is the trapezial rule, right? So we can denote this one x naught as x naught, x1, x2, etc. So this is y naught, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5, y6, y7, y8, y9, y10. Therefore, the value of the integral is integral 0 to 10 y of x dx equal to h by 2 means 1 by 2 plus first to last, that is y naught plus y10, that is 5 plus 30 plus 2 times sum of remaining all the terms, that is y1 plus y2, y3, y4, y5, right? So that is 3 plus 0 minus 5 minus 10 minus 6 plus 0 plus 5 plus 11 plus 18. So this is equivalent to 1 by 2 and this is 35 plus 2 times 16, 34, 37, 37 minus 21, that is 16. So equivalent to 1 by 2 into 35 plus 32 equal to 67 by 2 equal to 33.5 only. So the final answer is 33.5. The eigenvalue of the matrix A equal to 8, 3, 2, 7 are 5 and 10 for the matrix B equal to A plus alpha I. This is the identity matrix alpha I, where alpha is a constant and I is the 2 by 20 matrix. Its eigenvalues are 5 comma 10, 5 minus alpha, 10 minus alpha, 5 alpha, 10 alpha, 5 plus alpha, 10 plus alpha, right? We have a property or result. What is the result? If lambda is eigenvalue of the matrix A and f of A is f of A equal to polynomial in A, then f of lambda is eigenvalue of f of A. This is the property, right? So given that B equal to A plus alpha I, which is a polynomial in A, so let f of A equal to A plus alpha I. Therefore, by the above result, f of lambda would be the right. So for this f of A, f of lambda is the eigenvalue. Right. So coming to that implies by the above property f of 5 comma f of 10 or eigenvalues. That is what? 5 plus alpha into I means 1 only. So 5 plus alpha, and 10 f of 10, that is 10 plus alpha into I means 1 only. So 5 plus alpha gamma 10 plus alpha are the eigenvalues of the given matrix B. So which option? Option D is the correct one. Look at the question. The time to pass through a security screening at an airport follows an exponential distribution. The mean time to pass the security screening is 15 minutes. To catch the flight, a passenger must clear the screening within 15 minutes. So then probability that the passenger will miss the flight is. This is from probability related to exponential distribution. Look at the question. In the given data, the mean time to pass the security screening is 15 minutes, right? So the solution is, we know that the probability density function of exponential distribution is f of t equal to lambda into e raised to minus lambda t for t greater than or equal to 0, 0 otherwise. This is the probability density function of the exponential distribution, right? And the mean of the exponential distribution equal to 1 by lambda. So given that 1 by lambda is 1 by lambda equal to 15, that implies lambda equal to 1 by 15 only, right? Therefore, the function f of t equal to lambda into e power minus lambda t means what? Lambda is 1 by 15 into e raised to minus t by 15 for t greater than or equal to 0, equal to 0 otherwise, right? So look at the question again. What is the probability that the passenger will miss the flight? And the passenger must clear the screening test within 15 minutes. So if the screening is more than 15 minutes, the passenger will miss the flight. Therefore, the required probability is probability of passenger miss the flight equal to probability of t greater than 15 minutes. So this is equivalent to 1 minus probability of t less than or equal to 15. So this is equivalent to 1 minus integral 0 to 15 f of t dt only. So this is equivalent to 1 minus integral 0 to 15. F of t is what? 1 by 15 into e raised to minus t by 15 dt only, right? So this is equivalent to 1 minus 1 by 15 constant. Integral of this one is e raised to minus t by 15 by minus 1 by 15 between the limits 0 to 15 only, right? So this is equivalent to 1 minus, so cancel these two terms, right? That is 1, it would be 1 plus e raised to minus t by 15 between limit 0 to 15. So this is equivalent to 1 plus e raised to minus 1 upper limit minus e power 0. So that is 1 plus e raised to minus 1 minus e raised to 0 means 1 only. So finally this is equivalent to e raised to minus 1, which is equivalent to 0.36787. So equivalent up to 3 round off to 3 decimal places, that 0.368 only. So this is the answer. Am I clear? So look at once. This is f of t, given that mean is 1 by lambda equal to 15, lambda equal to 1 by 15 function. Required probability, that is passenger will miss the flight, that is probability of skinning time is more than 15 minutes, can be written as like this, 1 minus complement property. So integration. So finally the answer is 0.368.